Preparing your taxes doesn't have to be stressful. You can do them right on your phone.
Yep, here are 3 of the best apps. The first is IRS To Go. It's the official app of the IRS. You can prepare your taxes quickly and file them right on your phone. The app lets you check on your refund within 24 hours.
The TurboTax app is really easy to use. You just take a picture of your W-2, answer a couple questions, and then you're done. The cool part is the app helps you find all the deductions that you would qualify for. It also connects you to a specialist if you need help with anything. This app is free to use, but you do have to pay when you file.
And finally we're talking about TaxAct Express. This one has similar features to TurboTax, but it doesn't charge you to file. You can also get one-on-one help and track your refund.